What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we got some sort of bad news, but then again, maybe not bad news for Jasmycoin. And I know some people have brought this to my attention. They were like, hey, have you seen the news on Jasmycoin? It's interesting to see that they're going to be delisting from Binance. And it was kind of brought to me in a way to where it was like, hey, this is going to be big. So let's check this out. Now, I didn't see the news beforehand because it wasn't something that is as big as what they said it was, because maybe they just misread it. And the way that you're looking at this, you're like, hey, that's not true at all. And I'm going to get into the detail in this video as to if they're actually delisting from Binance, and also what this means for Jasmycoin going forward. So guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. You can follow me over there. And also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below for other exchanges, if you guys want to check out Coinbase, where you can get Jasmy, go over to KuCoin. You can check out Webull and Crypto.com. Then I have all of those links down in the description that you guys can sign up and be a part of those platforms. But anyways, into more important news. Jasmycoin is a play that I have recently bought. Like, I bought at a level of a half a penny. So it was less than a half a penny. I'm currently up on that position. I invested $250, which I plan to probably invest a total of maybe $1,000 into Jasmycoin and see some growth from there. 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x, all of those levels that a lot of people want to see. But some people are very excited about Jasmycoin. Others are not so excited. I can tell you that this was definitely news where I was like, when they told me, I was like, that kind of changes everything if they're actually delisting from Binance, because that's majority of their volume. Why would they do that if Binance is receiving a ton of volume from Jasmy? Is there something going on with Jasmy? But to get into the actual detail of what's truly happening, Binance.us will delist Helium and Jasmycoin on March 21st. It is not Binance. It is Binance.us. Yes, it is a part of Binance, but why would they decide to delist them? So obviously, you go into the detail. They talk about, digital assets, and if they're not meeting certain standards, then they end up delisting them. Now, for me, you're not really getting the breakdown as to everything as to why they would fully delist this position. But there's multiple reasons as to why they could delist a position from Binance.us. And the main thing, as they said, is expectation. They have a certain level of expectation, or their standards that they have to meet in order to stay listed on that platform. Does that mean that they're totally giving up on the position? No, because it's still tradable on Binance, which is majority of the volume. But like I said, they have two reasons, right? You have the lower volume, or two things that they can do with this. Sorry. So they have reasons, but they have two things that they can do with this as they do delist it. So they delist the position because they wanted to take it off of Binance.us, and they're going to sell whatever they have in Jasmycoin and pocket whatever they gained. If they did gain anything, all of the holders will probably end up moving over to either Binance or Coinbase or wherever. So basically it's a net zero there, right? But you also have another option to where they're doing that to kind of meet demand. Demand over in Binance, to where you have a lot of Jasmycoin volume that's happening over there. And you have all of this over here that's not really receiving that much volume, if any. So then what do? They take this portion and then they move it over to Binance, where you can trade and meet demand. So it's less of like, hey, Jasmycoin is, going downhill and they're taking away Jasmycoin, they're selling the Jasmycoin. That's not the case. They're more likely than not moving it over to Binance so that it can be tradable to the mass market and not just the US market, because they're not seeing as much volume that's going into the US side of things versus overall. So instead of them buying more, since they need to meet demand, and this over here, Binance.us is not seeing that volume, they want to bring it over to this platform where they don't have to buy anymore and they don't have to worry about meeting demand over here. So it's less, in my opinion, it's less of a bearish move and more of actually a bullish move to move a lot of that Jasmy coin back over to Binance. Now, if you go over to Jasmy coin on CoinMarketCap, you're going to see it's currently up 5%. The entire crypto market is really making a positive move. It's up to a half a penny or 5.6. I don't know how to say that, but a half 0.6 of a penny or almost 0.6 of a penny. Let's go with that. 60% of a penny or 56% of a penny. Let's call it that. You're seeing 95% of the supplies out there. You're seeing volume that's up by 49%, $91 million in volume. They're not going to delist something that truly has that much volume. So what you are seeing is more volume that's happening on Binance. You have 20%. With this pairing, you have 5%. Another pairing, you have 4%. Another pairing, you have 1%. Another one, 0.2%. And you see all of these different pairings that you have with Jasmycoin that you have to kind of meet demand over here. And that's the reason why they are moving it. What does it mean for Jasmycoin? It just means it's available in one less US market. And it seems like the US is not buying it as much, and more or less overseas investors are starting to buy it, or investors from different countries are starting to buy it a lot more than us. Coinbase obviously still sees about 7% of volume, but you're not seeing a ton of volume out of Binance.us. And I don't even know. Yeah, there we go. Binance.us has $300,000 in volume. Here you have $100,000 in volume with these pairings. So you're not really seeing the same level of volume over here, but you're seeing a high amount of volume in Binance. And that's probably what they are doing, is converting over. And everybody that was on Binance.us will probably move over to Coinbase, which was a very small amount anyways. So that's where we stand. Does it mean anything major for Jasmycoin? No, it doesn't. Does this mean the end of Jasmycoin? No, it doesn't. I think Jasmycoin has a lot of potential, and they're just trying to consolidate things into places to where they have a ton more volume and more demand for it. So it makes sense. Anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. If you guys want to get Jasmycoin yourself, you can go over on Coinbase and you can get Jasmycoin. I have a link for Coinbase down below if you want to sign up and use my referral link, which is down there. And I think you get like free Bitcoin for signing up and depositing money and stuff like that. So definitely check that out. And also, if you guys want to follow me on Patreon, that link is also down there, as well as some other links, credit card referral links, my Amazon store, my merch store where I have my Profits Apparel gear. I do want to get like some exercise equipment or exercise gear, because I wear a lot of, workout gear. And since I'm wearing a lot of workout gear in recording these videos, I might as well get some workout gear on my merch store, and then I can wear that consistently. So anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.